one of the rooms. We can start that way. And then we'll see one of our corner suites.
Corner suite, 204.
Housekeeping. Yeah.
How big?
In square meter, it should be 60 square meter, depends on the room.
You have very special like this.
Yeah. Everything you see here is very high quality.
Oh, you have this one.
Yes, of course we do.
So you have more. Shaving kit like this.
Sewing kit, yeah. All our bathroom amenities are in here.
Nothing.
This is just empty. This is just storage room. Then you have the amenities up in here. These are all the amenity kits we have.
So it's like inside cognac.
Yeah.
This is very good.
Yeah, the nail kit is very good. And then you have a bathroom with a bathtub right here.
This is for
Scarves and ties.
Okay.
And then the safe is always hidden in here. So this is the safe.
You have also amenities very special.
Yeah. And then you have the shower back there. The shower is really big.
Shower is slightly big, but amenities is good.
Yeah. And then also a very nice feature what everyone loves in here. We have a Dyson hairdryer in every single room.
Dyson, where?
So it's not just in the suites, it's even in the double rooms, you always have a Dyson hairdryer.
This one.
Which is always quite special, because people love a Dyson. And then this is the bedroom.
So this publish rate, how much?
Yeah, it depends. It starts from over 2,000.
And finish?
Finish is 5,000. Depends on the season. But I can tell you the actual rate for today.
Actual rate for today.
Yeah, the actual rate for today would be. Corner suite, 3,100.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Ultra high season, where?
High season,
No.
4,500.
No, when?
Oh, summer. Summer is really good. Yeah, summer is quite busy.
High season.
Summer is going to be really busy. So July, August, September, obviously due to the Oktoberfest at the end of the month. So Oktoberfest is high season.
You have also Experial.
Yeah, that's really high season as well. Yeah. But it just, that is one season for us because Expo is right after October.
Okay, so July start and finish in November.
Yeah, no, not in November. I would say mid-October. That's the high season. Yeah, and the most important part about this suite is the view. Because we just have a few of those because those are the really prestigious corners of the building. And then you have the really nice view to the Frauenkirche, which is right there.
You have some small balcony.
Yeah, but you can't really go out. It's not a real balcony.
So nobody can go there.
No. But yeah, you have really nice views. And to this side you have the Frauenkirche, and if you have a corner suite to the other side, you have a beautiful view to the Theatinerkirche. And this is, you saw that already, our mini bar. This is our detail spot. We love details, as I mentioned, in the living room. So we have a lot of details in here as well, especially for the mini bar. So what you can see here is our own collection of tableware.
Mil? Millet.
Yeah, this is honey from a
Oh, honey.
Yeah.
Millet.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And then you have like a really nice Rosenthal tableware with our own seal on there. So this is the Rosewood Munich seal.
This one?
Yeah, this is the Rosewood Munich seal. Then you have an espresso coffee machine in every single room, which is leather covered. Leather covered. And then the mini bar's down here. So that's in here. And then you have another set of wine, popcorn in here. Yeah. We love our details. And you have our own 3 signature cocktails in every single room. So, and then